Hello guys. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a vector drawing of yourself the easy way. First thing to do is to open your image with PicsArt. Next is to choose the effects option. After opening the effects, choose the color option under the effects, then find the black and white effect. In here you can adjust it until you find the amount of your liking. Afterwards, click OK and then open your image in the draw option. This is where the magic happens. Add another layer, this will be where you are going to draw. Decrease the opacity of the image. Then set the color of your brush into black and also, adjust the size of your brush. Now, trace the outline of the black portion of the image. You don't have to follow it precisely, just the right details. One more thing to remember is to make sure that the shapes you make should be closed, there shouldn't be open lines, so that there will be no problem when you will fill or color your drawing. Now go to the fill option and fill your drawing. And voila, you have your vector drawing in just 5 minutes or even less.